So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the EPAnet, or as some people say, EPAnet software that you can use to analyze and design water distribution and water supply networks. So it's a hydraulic analysis software and it's completely free and open source. A great tool that everybody who is involved in water supply should be familiar with. Let's start the browser and search for EPAnet like this. So usually the first link you get is the United States Environmental Protection Agency's website. So go there and this is where you can download the EPAnet system. So be familiar with this website a little bit because there are a lot of useful information here regarding the model and how to use it. So for the moment, what we are going to do is to click on this self-extracting installation program for EPAnet to download it. Now, if you do not have administrative rights on your computer, some of the corporate computers don't allow you to install software. In that case, you have to do some preparatory work. Um, you may ask your system administrator to install this for you. It doesn't take uh, much time to install, as you can see. Yes, yeah, it's done. So now when you go to your start menu and type EPAnet, the first few words, you can see the software which has been installed here. Click on this one, then it will open the software for you.